In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a no data available message using Tableau. This simple feature can be incredibly helpful when working with dashboards to clearly indicate when there is a lack of data to show. Let's dive right into it. First, go ahead and open the Tableau public app on your computer. This app is a powerful tool for data visualization. And today, we're going to use some of its basic functionalities to enhance user experience by adding a no data available message. Once you're in the application, you're going to start by creating a new, empty sheet in your Tableau workbook. It's important to keep this sheet empty as it will serve as the placeholder in your dashboard that will eventually display the no data available message. Next, take this blank sheet and drag it onto your dashboard. This action allows it to become part of the dashboard layout, which is key to integrating custom messages effectively. Now, you'll need to add a text object to the dashboard. This is where you type your message. In this case, let's go with no data available. This text will act as a visual cue to inform users that no data is currently being displayed on your dashboard. Take a moment to consider the placement of this message. It should be visible and clear. After you've typed out the message, position this no data available text object on your dashboard, placing it where you want it to appear should data absence occur. The positioning is crucial as it ensures users notice the message when relevant. To make sure your message is always visible when needed, you should adjust the floating order of the no data available text object. You'll want it to be brought to the front or brought forward initially. This setting ensures that whenever there's no data to be shown, this message stays prominent on the dashboard. At this stage, drag a datasheet over the blank sheet you added earlier. This step ensures that your main data will display when available while allowing the no data available message to appear when data isn't present. Finally, you'll want to create a filter on your main datasheet. This filter should be designed to result in no data being displayed when your specific no data condition is met. With this done, your dashboard is now prepped to show the no data available message whenever the predetermined condition results in data absence. This setup not only helps maintain a clean interface, but also keeps users informed in a seamless and unobtrusive manner. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to display a no data available message using Tableau. This simple task can significantly enhance the communication effectiveness of your dashboards. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.